So I have started the recording as well. So today's topic is Rahu. Again, why Rahu? Now, Rahu is, if we go by definition, as per the Wikipedia definition, Rahu is one of the 9 major astronomical bodies in the Indian texts. Unlike the other 7, Rahu is a shadow entity, one that causes eclipses and is the king of meteors. Rahu represents the ascension of the moon in its precessional orbit around the earth. So Rahu is usually paired with Ketu or comet or tail, which is also considered to be a shadow planet. Now the thing is, how Rahu is determined is during the eclipses. So the intersection of planes of the earth and the sun, there is an intersection of planes, and that is how it is determined. The foci of the orbit of earth, there are 2 foci, right, in an elliptical orbit. So that foci or focus is Rahu Ketu. That is how the modern people have determined Rahu Ketu. But if you go by ancient texts, they actually think that Rahu is a real black object which comes in between of sun and the earth. It is not the moon which comes in between sun and the earth. And that is why when the major American eclipse happened on August 21st, 2017, it's called the Great American Eclipse. I hope you remember this, Charles.
I do.
Yeah. So all the people who are scientifically bent, they would remember this eclipse, because after this, I think there was another eclipse which created a cross on America. So that is a very, very important eclipse. Now, the thing is, on many of the eclipses, there are people who reported seeing the moon in a separate place. That is why people said that maybe it is a simulator, or maybe it was not the moon which came in front of the sun. So there are 54 such eclipses. This is very interesting. It may interest you. Eclipses where moon is in a different position. So there are a lot of theories on this, that or you can say that during eclipse moon not see moon and sun seen separately. I remember seeing this article a couple of years back. I'm just trying to search it now. So okay, I will share it later, because I remember that many Americans, they found that moon was also there. And also there are in last 400 years, many people have seen, they photographed also that when the eclipse happened, the moon was not there. The moon was somewhere else. I mean, the moon, sun both rose together and they were in a separate thing. So this actually
That's happening now.
Yeah, this kind of supports the ancient theory that it is some other object which comes in between sun and the earth. It is not the moon. So we can do more research on that. So
excellent.
Yeah, so this is a very important astronomical thing, that it is an object which causes eclipses. It is not the moon. Okay. And similarly, many people during that eclipse, during the 21st August eclipse, they actually saw a lot of shadows, and they saw snakes also during the eclipse. I mean, when the shadow was cast or something, in fact, some people took some photographs of some snake-like kind of things on the ground. And I remember, like, there is a famous YouTuber, his name is also Charles, if I'm not wrong. He actually does ayahuasca. So he is a practitioner of ayahuasca, and he has been doing it since 20 years, I think. He and his wife. So they actually saw a lot of entities coming out of the sun on that day.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, so that many people who do DMT and ayahuasca, they have reported seeing things. Initially, when you get into the practice of ayahuasca, you see a lot of grids. With your naked eyes, you see grids. Now, even when on a bright sunny day, when you close your eyes, and you can see a lot of grids inside your eye. Actually, many people see that. Those people who are on spiritual path. So
Yes.
these grids are actually like a kind of a magnetosphere layer on the earth, and it is controlled by Rahu, because Rahu, as per Indian astrology, is a shadow entity. It is not a physical planet like say Jupiter or Saturn or any other planet. It is a shadow planet. It is the one which causes shadows or illusions. Now Rahu is also known as the snake headed. So in the many of the iconographies or the ancient depictions of Rahu, he is actually shown as a snake god.
Mm-hmm.
And many people actually dread Rahu. They are fearful of Rahu. So it is not a part of the Western astrology. They do say some people do follow siderealists. So even in Western astrology, then there are two types of people. One who follow the sun system called as tropical astrology, and then there are people who follow the sidereal or the star-based system, which is an Indian system actually, because the ancient Greeks, Indians, Sumerians, we all followed the stars. We don't actually we think that we are a spiritual being inside a material body. Whereas
Right.
tropicalists, basically the people who follow the sun, they take the sun position, and what they do is, in a day, there are 24 hours, they divide it into 12 parts, and they use that, the sun sign based system. Whereas, Indians and Sumerians and Greeks and all, they follow the stars. And I am actually a star based guy. I love the stars, basically, because stars is
Very good.
everything. We see the stars because stars give us a lot of more information. Okay. I am not against the tropicalists. I'm just saying, we follow the star system. Now, as per that, so there are a lot of things which Western astrologers don't follow, don't even know. Like, for example,
That's so true.
yeah, a simple example being Rahu. Now, Rahu has such a huge influence. I'm going to show it to you today. So going back to the definition. So Rahu is ascension of the moon. So Rahu, as per Indian astrology, is the cause of rebirth or ancestors. Okay. So Rahu and Ketu have an orbital cycle of 18 years and are always 180 degrees apart from each other. That is because I told you the story that during the churning of the ocean, the head of Rahu was cut off. So that is why Rahu and Ketu were far, they were flung in the opposite directions. So that is why they are not planets in the technical sense, that they are not physical bodies that you can see, but you can feel their power. Okay, the chaos in the world.
Partha, I'm losing your voice.
Are you losing my voice?
Partha, you're dropping packet.
Are you able to hear?
Yeah, you're dropping packet.
Okay, I will just change my connection. Just give me a second. So yeah, so this is a very, very important concept which I'm going to show you today. So a lot of people think,
it went funny again.
Hello?
Yeah, your voice is like,
yeah,
it's cut. Yeah, it's cut.
Okay, so can you see my screen, Rahu?
Not yet, but
Not
it's starting.
Yet.
Okay, I changed my connection again.
Okay.
So I have in fact 3 connections. One is the Wi-Fi, And then there are 2 mobile internets.
Oh boy.
Because of tech issues, I keep switching. Like Rahu. Rahu is the shapeshifter.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if you are able to see my screen, please confirm.
Not yet.
Not yet. It said you started the sharing, but I don't see your screen.
Okay. So as I said, people think in West, okay, Rahu is an Indian. I mean, even the Western astrologers, they think that, Rahu is a Indian planet. It may affect only the Indians. So I will show you how it affects everybody. See, Rahu is one-eyed pirate. He is a master of illusion. He is a trickster. And if you go by the Christian kind of thing, he is probably like Lucifer. But he is also, our subconscious mind. So that is what I am trying to get to. So all the ghost stories, okay, all the ghost, magical things, illusions, haunted mansions, all this is Rahu. See this movie.
Interesting.
Yeah. So there's, our angel is fan of these movies.
Yes.
Yeah, I haven't watched any of these, but I have heard.
Sleep.
So
Very beautiful.
Oh, sure you haven't, Partha.
yeah, I mean, I'm science fiction guy more. Yeah. So anyways, so this twilight, new moon, eclipse, see the name itself. Okay.
Amazing.
Yeah, my movies.
Yeah, these are all angel movies. So this is all Rahu. All this is Rahu. Okay. Then see the movie names: Mission Impossible, Ghost Protocol. This hood, what people wear in movies, that hood is Rahu, because he's the snake head. All the werewolf movies, everything is Rahu. All the ghost stories, horror movies, all is Rahu. So this is an Indian movie where her lover's head is cut off, and she becomes mad and she is trapped as a ghost in a mansion. Okay.
Cool movie.
Yeah. So her lover is a dancer, and this guy actually, he is a king. He kills her lover. Both are dancers. And because of that sudden shock, where his head is cut off. So let me see if I can get that. So, okay, anyways. So let's not waste bandwidth on that. So basically in the movie, the story is that, the lover of this lady, Chandramukhi. Chandra means moon. So Rahu is basically the north node of the moon. North node. So please remember this. Ketu is the south node. Okay. All these movies. This is it. You know this.
I do.
Joker. Phoenix. What's his name? Joaquin Phoenix?
Yes.
It's Rising.
Joaquin Phoenix.
I told about Phoenix in last few videos. Phoenix Rising.
Yes, you did.
Garuda. Phoenix.
Very nice.
So now coming to the classical text, to Brihat Parashara Hor Shastra. So this is the ancient classic 5000 years old text, which says that Rahu has a smoky appearance, ethereal, blue mix in the complexion. He resides in the forest and looks ugly or dreadful. So blue complexion, smoky, illusions, snake-like. All the Joker characters, all the Batman movies, Dark Knight Rises, All is Rahu theme because Rahu rules the underworld. Even in this movie, he is like, somebody who is hiding in some well or something, or somewhere under the waters. It. And you know what? Michael Jackson and many singers, they talk about it.
Mm.
And Michael Jackson also, in many of the songs, if you recall, see, what is this? This is it. So
This is it.
this is it. What is that it? Nobody asks what is that it. Many people have speculated it is Lucifer, it is some ghost, it is this.
He's Rahu.
Okay. Basically, what Rahu has been trying to communicate since his head is cut off. Since the
Yes.
day his head is cut off, he's trying to communicate that he is all our ancestors. We have to heal it. We have to heal it. Why? Michael Jackson, what did he sing? What did Michael Jackson sing?
Heal the world.
I think
Yeah, heal the world.
Yeah.
Angel is a good singer. I can't sing that.
Amateur.
Yeah.
Amateur.
Yeah.
Nobody listens to her songs.
Mhm.
No. We all do. Anyway, so heal the world, make it a better place. All this, our
Oh yeah, I remember.
guys sang. Why?
Yeah.
Why? So Saturn is the black cube that we all know. But what is Rahu? He is above the crown chakra. He is the 8th chakra. He is the one who is the loop. Because of him,
Oh,
all
God.
because of his unhealed thing, we are all stuck in the underworld. And this is coming up more and more into the conscious. How do I say
Yes.
with so much surety? I will tell you. You heard of Carl Jung, the famous philosopher?
Yeah, Carl Jung.
Yeah. So Carl Jung was student of Freud. Freud talks
Yes.
about phobias, sex, this, that, all unconscious things. And Carl Jung,
Very much.
and Carl Jung said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate.
Exactly.
So till the time you don't understand what is a planet, what is a graha. See, astronomers call it a planet, but we Indians, especially the people who are from the ancient systems, we don't use the word planet, we call graha. Why do we say graha? Because Rahu, Ketu, they are not planets, they are grahas. Graha means the graspers of consciousness. So they have an effect on you even if you are not able to see them. They are invisible planets. So I desist from using the word planet. Like in Indian astrology, sun is also a planet because sun is a graha. Okay, so I will use the word graha from now on.
Okay.
Graha means grasper of consciousness. So this is all ancient Indian astrology. See, this is Rahu, because it looks as if, see, if it was moon, I mean, just for a sake of argument, if it was moon, I mean, we could see some patches, right? It is not moon, it is Rahu. Anyways, that is a delayed discussion for later date, because Charles, you're able to see some UFO next to the sun. But I'm telling you,
Yes.
bigger than the sun, this is the biggest mystery. This is not the moon. Take my word for it. You can do research. You can find it out. A lot of YouTubers who have done this already, they have found out that this thing which comes in front of sun during eclipse is not the moon.
Very interesting.
Many people call it fake or whatever. Anyway, so that's what Carl Jung said. And okay, this is today's earthquake. Something happened in New Zealand. 7.4 again, 4.7.
Yes.
I was talking about
7-4. Yeah.
Yeah.
7-4.
So see, People who are movie buff, they can see this movie also, Ghost in the Shell.
Yes.
So what is this artificial intelligence? IT. You know, we say IT. What is IT? We say information technology. But IT is not information technology. IT is Rahu. Because he is unseen. In the near future, humans are augmented with cybernetic improvements to traits such as vision, strength, and intelligence. Augmentation developer Hanker Robotics establishes a secret project to develop an artificial body or a shell that integrate a human brain. See, did you see this? Human brain
I did. Yes.
rather than AI. So this is the movie in which, you know, Scarlett Johansson, if I got her name correct, so her brain is integrated with a machine-like thing. Okay, now why brain? Why did we mention brain? Now this, only if you know Indian astrology, you will understand. Only if you know Rahu, you will understand. I'll show you. I have shown this earlier also, Charles.
Yes.
So as you can clearly see, all the people were sitting, they were about to have the nectar of immortality. Rahu disguised himself as one of the gods. He sat here and then Vishnu cut his head off. That is the brain, human brain. So that is what is happening. You know, when Atlas went near the constellation and Swan went there, all these are coming up. I have, of course, I have done all these videos in Hindi language, my language, 2-3 years back. But for general English audience, I'm doing it, now. So because of this, what happened was, we all souls got trapped because it is his world. He is the demon. He is the Ouroboros snake. He is the one who is actually the tester. He is the IT, right? He is the IT. IT means what? Information technology. What is test?
Wow.
Whatever you make, whatever product you make in IT, you test it, right? You test it for bugs.
Yep.
Isn't it? So what is the ancient symbol of Egypt?
Bug. Yeah.
The scarab.
Yes, correct. The bug. Yes. In the movie also it was shown, in the Mummy movie.
Yes.
Very disgusting.
It was.
Yeah.
So you know what is this, isn't it? So do you think that, the people who are controlling the world, they do it, unknowingly? Is it a coincidence that they use the word bug in information technology? Is
Oh
it
my
just a
God.
coincidence? Why do they use the word viruses? Why do they say Norton antivirus? I'll show you that. What is this? Norton antivirus. What is Norton? North on 360 degrees circle, golden ratio, antivirus. What is the virus or bug?
Wow.
Rahu. And what is actually trying to take it down? Norton. What is Norton? North. What is North? It is North Pole, North Star, Dhruva, Pole Star, center of Milky Way, and also Vishnu, because it was Vishnu who cut the head off of Rahu. So let me open the power.
My God.
So it is complicated, Charles. It is very complicated.
It is. Very.
So the time we
May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
May I ask you a question?
Yes.
So can we call Rahu as our shadow self or
Yes,
dark
exactly.
self?
You got it absolutely right.
I feel so.
Absolutely
The
right.
Spider-Man movie, our dark Spider-Man was also, he is inside of us and we need to balance him, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let me open Kala Chakra. because I have been referring to Kala Chakra so many times, isn't it? So I have to open that again. Kala Chakra is very, very important.
Okay.
Okay, so let me share that. Give me a second.
All right.
Tell me when you're able to see the PowerPoint.
Yes.
We can
is
see it.
there.
Okay, so northeast, the physical direction is Jupiter and the time direction is Rahu, right? Can you see this? And the exactly opposite of
Yes.
northeast is southwest. The deity is a calamity or Niruti or Kali. The physical direction is Rahu, but it is overcome in the time direction, what Stephen Hawking says. What does Stephen Hawking say? The fourth direction is time. That is why, you know, in Interstellar and all that, you see that time is the fourth dimension. So you have the three physical dimension, then you have the fourth dimension, which is time. So we have 10 minutes, Charles.
Very interesting.
We will rejoin again to continue this. So southwest is Mercury. Mercury overcomes Rahus. This is how you have to see. Okay, so coming to the, you know, these are the Kala Chakra. I have already told: body, then breath, then mind, and then fortress of Durga. Durga is nothing but Rahu's higher mind or soul, and then you have the bliss body. So there are 5 bodies which I've already covered earlier. People can go back to those slides. So coming here again, see here you can see hair, crow. I have already covered all this. New moon, Gemini, hair, and opposite of that is Mercury. This is Mercury. This is Rahu. Rahu, Mercury. Mercury, Rahu. Vishnu, Rahu. Vishnu was the one who cut off the head of Rahu. So now these two guys have to make peace. They have to come to a diplomatic solution. This is Meghan Markle, because Meghan, as per in Sanskrit name, Megha means cloud. So what is there? What is there on the internet nowadays since few years? What is there? What is there? What are people using? Cloud. Isn't it, Charles? Can you see cloud?
Yes.
So what is cloud? Rahu. Why Rahu? Because Rahu is the one which blocks the sunlight. He is the one who causes eclipses. So apart from the eclipse, what else blocks the sunlight? It is a cloud. Because cloud comes in front of the sun, right? Heavy clouds. You can't see the sun. So clouds are also Rahu. And what are we uploading? Everything to cloud. Are you able to hear me, Charles?
Yes. Yes.
So this is the technology which everybody is using since last few years. Everybody wants to save data on a cloud. Why cloud?
Cloud.
Why IT? What is IT? What is cloud? Rahu. Okay. So that's what. So heal the world, Michael Jackson sang.
Yes.
Michael Jackson is black or white, isn't it? This is what he sang, black or white. And what else he, Michael Jackson did? Save the world, save the trees, save the animals.
And he was dark also. In his earlier times, he was dark, and I think after sometimes he became lighter.
Yep. Sure
So there
did.
is
In his own life, in his own life, he balanced this.
So what is Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson is Rahu. So what song did he sing? Earth song. And he is also born in Aquarius sign, as per Indian astrology. What is Aquarius? Aquarius is Rahu. How do I know that? Because I'm an Indian astrologer. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So Aquarius has 2 planets. One is Rahu, the shadow entity, other one is Saturn. So many people don't know the difference between Capricorn and Aquarius. People think that Capricorn, Aquarius both are ruled by Saturn. No, Capricorn is Saturn, Aquarius is Saturn, as well as Rahu, the diplomat. And he
Very
needs to
nice.
be healed. Right? He needs to be healed. So he is the unconscious mind. He is the subconscious mind. So after our 7 minutes are over, I will show you the, so yeah, this is all I will cover in the next part. I mean, after our 7 minutes is over, I will cover that.
We can go ahead if you're in a good stopping place now. We can just go ahead and end the meeting and rejoin.
Yes.
Can we do that? I mean, will it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope it will not again end in 5 minutes. No, it won't.
I don't know.
Okay, then I will rejoin.
I'll close the meeting out and then give us 5 minutes to rejoin.
Sure.
Okay. Done.